Hey everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Flagger official channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a paper folding transition effect. This kind of transition is perfect for faster passive videos, so if you're curious about how it's done, keep watching. Before we start creating this transition, we'll need to prepare some clips. For example, we can download images with folding marks from the link in the comment section below. Next, I'll walk you through two methods for making paper folding transitions. To create the paper tear transition, we need to prepare 3 clips: folded paper texture image, torn paper image, and a solid white image. First, open VideoProc Flagger and import your video along with all the clips we just mentioned into the media library. Then drag the video into the video track. After that, place the folded paper texture image into the overlay track. Fit the size to the screen, and then find the blend mode and select Screen. Now take a snapshot of this frame right here. After we've imported the snapshot back into VideoProc Flagger, go ahead and delete everything from the timeline. We can use the shortcuts Ctrl and A to select all items, and then press Delete to remove them. After that, we're going to use guidelines. Find this icon above the preview window. Click and hold the left mouse button, drag downwards, and release it at the midpoint of the frame. Finally, let's place the torn paper image into the video track and drag it up so that it sits just above the guideline. Next, place the solid white image into the overlay track. Then, in the preview window, adjust the position and the size of the image so that it completely covers the black edge at the top. Create a new overlay track and put the snapshot we just took into this new track. Adjust it to fit the screen. Then changing the blend mode to darken. And take another snapshot of this frame. After that, click this button to hide the bottom overlay track. Then adjust the position of the images so that they all in the lower half of the frame. Enable the overlay track and take another snapshot of the frame. Now we have 2 images that look like they've been torn. After adding both images back into VideoProc Flagger, clear all the materials from the timeline once again. Place the 2 snapshots we've just taken into the overlay track and adjust them to fit the screen. Then changing the blend mode to screen. Next, drag them up and down respectively, like this, and then take a snapshot. After that, gradually drag them towards the center, taking snapshots in sequence as they come closer together. Finally, after adding all of them into VideoProc Flagger, clear everything from the timeline once again. Then press F2, which is the shortcut key to enter the settings interface and the timeline settings. Adjust the photo duration to 0.1 seconds. After that, drag all the snapshots we've just taken into the video track, arranging the images in the correct sequence. Next, drag the video back into the video track and place it right after the images. And there you have it, a paper tear transition is completed. To create a paper folding transition, we need to use an image that has folding marks. Just as we did earlier, let's prepare a clip with folding marks. Place it onto the overlay track and make sure it connects with the beginning and the end of the video on the video track. Then, based on the folding marks in the image, create a corresponding number of clips by duplicating the original clip. After positioning them correctly, select the clip on the far left. Go to the crop editor and crop the frame according to the folding marks on the image. Once we return to the main interface, adjust their positions in the preview window. Process all the clips like this. Once that's done, our paper folding transition is complete. Following these two methods, we can create various styles of transitions to suit your own needs. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!